Hello, babes. How we doing? So today we switched up the scenery a bit, and we're somewhere different. We're in my bedroom, and I tucked this away into this small space between my bed and the wall. I just had new flooring laid, so somehow this corner felt like the perfect place for us to breathe. Slowly arch your back. Take a deep breath in with me and let go. Again, breathe in and exhale. Go ahead and lift your chest just a bit higher. No questions, no pressure. Just you, me, and a few breaths. Inhale slowly. Arch your back. Go ahead and just hold it for a few seconds. Let your shoulders soften. We don't have anywhere to go right now. We're going to slowly come up onto your knees and let's stretch through the back. And we're going to move gently from one side and then over to the other side. There's really no need to rush anything. The strangest thing ended up happening to me. My arms, they started to tense up, and that's never really happened to me before. It wasn't a pain. It was just a bit of unexpected tightness. And so that just reminded me how much the body holds on to when we're not paying attention. Hearing our parents say, if you don't use it, you lose it. Yeah, it really is the truth. And that's what happened to me here. I was gonna edit it out, but I said no. I'm sure that you guys can relate to this. Here, you'll see that I extended one leg all the way out, and I just reached through it to create some sort of length through the spine and the entire back of my body. As I move through this, I could really feel the difference between the two sides of my body. My right side is definitely stronger than my left. It's my dominant side, so naturally it wants to take over and do most of the work. But I think we all have something like that. But that weaker side, it definitely needs some attention. Don't laugh at me, all right? So I tried these balance blocks, and these are a lot harder than they look. I've never done these before. You're gonna see me struggle with them for a minute, but you know, it's part of trying. It is what it is. It's something new. Everything doesn't have to look perfect for the first time. So for now, I placed the blocks firmly on the floor. I extended both legs all the way out. And I pressed my hands on the blocks and I just slowly lifted through with my chest. We're gonna work on that, okay? But I'm not gonna give up. I don't give up. I don't quit. So we're gonna finish off by bringing one leg in at a time, by gently drawing it as close to my chest as I can. The goal is to eventually get into the splits. I told you guys that in our last video. So this is where my body is, and that's okay. I'm not gonna force it. I'm just gonna continue to stretch and allow my body to open a little more each time. I just remember to slowly breathe in, release, and then I will make sure that I switch sides. And right here, you guys, I cut my foot with some scissors and it was hurting so badly, but again, we not giving up. So that's enough for today.